A new era has arrived. Quietly, powerfully, unstoppably. A technology that started as a creative assistant is now becoming the backbone of global industries. Generative AI is no longer just drawing pictures, writing stories, or answering questions. It is merging with automation, building new business systems, running workflows, and powering decisions faster than any technology in human history. This is not the future. This is right now. And if you don't understand what's happening, you may already be behind. Welcome to Generative AI remains strong, but now blending with automation and business use. We will take a deep journey into the evolution of intelligence, the rise of generative automation, and how businesses of every size are transforming in real time. What generative AI has become. In 2023, generative AI shocked the world with creativity. In 2024, it became faster, smarter, and more specialized. But in 2025, something different happened. It grew up. Businesses discovered something. Creativity was only the beginning. The true power of AI is not in art, or writing, or entertainment, but in automation, in systems that can think, act, and execute, in assistants that don't just answer, but do, in copilots that move from suggestions to actions. Why businesses are embracing AI? Because for the first time in history, any business, small or large, can automate like a tech giant. Customer service? Automated. Marketing? Automated. Data analysis? Automated. Operations? Automated. Decision-making? Guided by AI. And the companies who are using AI today are pulling away from everyone else. The shift from creativity to execution. Generative AI started as a creator, but now it has become an operator. Imagine an AI that writes your email, sends it, logs it into your CRM, updates the database, schedules the next meeting, and prepares the report. This is not a dream. This is daily business reality. Global impact. Across Africa, Asia, Europe, and the Americas, a transformation is occurring. Companies are no longer hiring to keep up. They are automating to move forward. Industries are shifting at a speed never seen before. In the next chapters, we will explore exactly how. Enter Gen Automation. A new term has emerged, Gen Automation. Generative AI plus automation. Creativity plus execution. Thinking plus doing. It is not a tool. It is a workforce. Real stories, real impact. A logistics company replaced 27 human roles with one AI agent that schedules deliveries, reroutes trucks, predicts delays, and communicates with customers. A hospital uses Gen Automation to process 8,000 patient records per hour with 0 errors. A startup built an entire marketing team powered by AI. Content creation, posting, analytics, customer responses. This is the world we now live in. In the next segment, we go deeper. How does generative automation actually work? What industries will be transformed first? And what does this mean for your future? Stay with me. We are just getting started. The rise of Gen Automation. We now enter the heart of transformation. This is the chapter where generative AI stops being a creative tool and becomes a system, a living, thinking engine, capable of running business operations end to end. What is Gen Automation? Gen Automation is more than a combination of technologies. It is a shift in how work is done. It is an era where AI does not wait for instructions. It anticipates them. Where systems do not react, they predict. Where the slowest part of any process is now the human. How Gen Automation works. At its core, Gen Automation relies on 3 pillars. Pillar 1, understanding. The AI interprets text, images, schedules, workflows, emotions, and business goals. Pillar 2, decision-making. It evaluates options, predicts outcomes, and chooses the optimal path. Pillar 3, action. It sends the email, processes the form, updates the database, triggers the workflow, and executes the task without waiting. This is the moment where software stops being a tool and becomes an operator. The end of manual repetition. For decades, businesses operated like machines, but they still needed humans to push every button, every form, every response, every approval, every routine task. Now it's all changing. AI doesn't get tired. AI doesn't lose focus. AI doesn't wait for tomorrow. It runs your operations 24/7 with zero delay. Industry transformation number 1, customer service. Customer service is no longer handled by call centers alone. AI now speaks, listens, understands, and resolves. Not as a chatbot, but as a full agent. It pulls customer data instantly, reads emotions in real time, predicts the solution before the customer finishes speaking. Businesses report a 78% reduction in response time and a 5 times increase in customer satisfaction. Industry transformation number 2, finance and business operations. In finance, AI now handles what once required teams of analysts. Invoice processing, fraud detection, financial planning, risk assessment, and it does it with consistency, without fatigue, bias, or delay. For many companies, AI has become the new chief operations officer. Industry transformation number 3, healthcare. In hospitals across the world, Gen automation is saving lives. AI systems scan medical records, detect anomalies, recommend treatment paths, and even schedule appointments automatically. Doctors are now supported by analytical intelligence that processes thousands of cases per second. One hospital reduced administrative workload by 61%, giving healthcare workers more time with patients. Industry transformation number 4, education. Education is entering a personal era. AI tutors teach each student individually. AI administrators handle paperwork and scheduling. AI systems identify learning gaps before a test is even written. Parents, teachers, and institutions now benefit from real-time insights that once required weeks to compile. Industry transformation number 5, small businesses. But the biggest revolution is happening in small businesses, the corner shops, freelancers, and entrepreneurs. A single individual can now run a business that feels like it has 10 employees. AI handles marketing. AI handles customer messages. AI handles sales. AI handles bookkeeping. AI handles operations. What once needed a team can now be handled by a single owner with Gen automation. Transition to next section. But this is just the beginning. In the next part, we reveal the rise of the AI workforce, agents, copilots, and autonomous digital workers, the roles they take, the tasks they eliminate, and the new world they create. The AI workforce. We now enter a turning point in human history, the rise of the AI workforce. Not robots, not machines with arms and legs, but intelligent digital workers that think, plan, and execute. This is no longer science fiction. Businesses are hiring AI today. What is an AI worker? An AI worker is not a tool. It is a role. It has responsibilities. It performs tasks. It reports updates. It works alongside humans. Imagine a marketing AI that runs your campaigns. Imagine an operations AI that handles scheduling and logistics. Imagine a sales AI that manages communications and lead scoring. Imagine an HR AI that screens candidates and sends onboarding documents. These are not ideas. They are job descriptions. Types of AI workers. There are 3 major forms of AI workers. 1. AI assistants. They help you, but you remain in control. 2. AI copilots. They collaborate with you, completing half the job automatically. 3. AI agents, autonomous workers. They execute tasks end-to-end, without supervision. This third category is growing faster than anyone expected. AI copilots, the new team. Members. AI copilots are becoming the most trusted partners inside modern organizations. They handle drafts, suggestions, corrections, analysis, scheduling, and planning. Workers who use AI copilots are now completing tasks up to 54% faster. Every industry is seeing the shift. Examples: lawyers review cases with AI, accountants audit records with AI, teachers grade assignments with AI, developers code with AI. This is the age of accelerated human capability. AI agents, the autonomous workforce. But the most powerful shift is the rise of fully autonomous AI agents. These are AI workers that don't just talk, they act. They read emails. They update spreadsheets. They move files. They trigger workflows. They make decisions based on data. They operate across tools like Gmail, Slack, Notion, Salesforce, HubSpot. and custom business software. They don't replace humans, they remove the monotonous parts of our jobs. Case study: a company run by 7 AI agents. In 2025, a startup emerged gaining attention around the world. A company run by 7 AI agents. Each agent had a role. Marketing agent creates content, designs campaigns, schedules posts, analyzes reach. Operations agent coordinates schedules, manages internal workflows, and automates reporting. Sales agent handles leads, sends follow-ups, qualifies customers, and books meetings. Finance agent processes invoices, tracks expenses, and creates monthly financial reports. Customer support agent resolves issues, drafts personalized responses, and manages the help desk. Data agent processes analytics, identifies patterns, and delivers insights to the team. Executive agent combines data from all agents and reports updates to the founders. The human founders worked just 4 hours per week, while the AI agents handled the rest. Working with AI, new human roles. As AI workers take over repetitive tasks, humans evolve into higher roles. The new human responsibilities: supervision, creative guidance, strategic planning, relationship building, problem solving. Humans no longer compete with AI, they direct it. The productivity gap widens. Companies that adopt AI workers are moving at lightning speed. Those who avoid AI are being left behind. The distance between AI-powered companies and traditional companies is becoming impossible to close. We are witnessing the birth of a new economy, an AI-enabled economy. In the next chapter, we go deeper into the world of business evolution. The companies adapting, the companies collapsing, the new business models powered by automation, and the trillion-dollar impact coming faster than expected. Prepare yourself. The transformation is only accelerating. We now enter one of the most important chapters of this entire documentary. Because for the first time in history, businesses are being divided into 2 groups: those that adopt AI and accelerate, and those that hesitate and vanish. This is economic evolution happening in real time. The Great Business Split. Across the globe, a split is forming. On one side, AI-enabled companies. On the other, traditional companies. The first group is growing fast. The second group is struggling to keep up. This is not because humans are less skilled, but because AI is amplifying the power of the companies who use it. What AI-enabled companies look like? AI-enabled companies operate differently. They automate workflows. They reduce errors. They respond faster. They scale without extra cost. They make data-driven decisions instantly. These companies don't wake up to chaos. They wake up to reports, generated overnight by AI. Their operations run while they sleep. Business transformation, before versus after AI. Let's explore what business looked like before AI, and what it looks like today. Before AI, manual tasks, slow communication, human errors, endless repetition, high cost of operations. After AI, instant workflows, real-time customer responses, zero delay decision support, AI catching mistakes before they happen, lower cost, higher output, faster execution. This is not an upgrade. This is a transformation. Companies that adapted, success stories. Across multiple industries, companies that embraced AI early are now leading the market. Retail, AI predicts demand, preventing stock shortages. Transportation, AI schedules routes and reduces fuel costs. Real estate, AI screens tenants, manages listings, and responds to inquiries instantly. Manufacturing, AI predicts machine failures before they happen, avoiding downtime. These companies are not just thriving, they are redefining their industries. Companies that failed to adapt. But there is another side to this story. Companies that ignored AI are already feeling the consequences. Some have downsized. Some have declared bankruptcy. Some have been quietly absorbed by AI-enabled competitors. The world is not slowing down for anyone. Adaptation is no longer optional. It is survival. New business models emerging. AI is not only transforming old industries, it is creating entirely new ones. AI-first startups. Companies built from the ground up using AI for 80% of operations. Micro-enterprises. A single person running a business that feels like a team of 10. AI-powered consulting. Experts using AI to analyze entire companies in minutes. Autonomous digital agencies. AI agents running marketing, sales, and customer service automatically. These are the businesses of the new era. The trillion-dollar shift. Economists estimate that Gen automation will create a trillion-dollar shift in global productivity. Why? Because AI multiplies output without multiplying cost. It scales infinitely. It learns constantly. It never stops. For the first time in history, small businesses can compete with giants. The new competitive edge. In today's world, your competitive edge is not location, not the size of your team, not even your years of experience. Your competitive edge is your AI adoption. The more your business automates, the more unstoppable it becomes. Transition to next section. In the next chapter, we move into the final stage of this journey. The future of generative AI. What's coming in 2026 and beyond. The breakthroughs that will reshape industries. And the decisions you must make today to stay ahead tomorrow. The future is closer than you think. We have traveled through the evolution of generative AI. From creativity to automation to the rise of the AI workforce. Now we step into the most important question of all. Where is this heading? What does the future of generative AI look like? And how will it reshape your life, your work, and your world? 1. The AI that doesn't wait for instructions. The next generation of AI will not wait for humans to tell it what to do. It will observe. It will anticipate. It will learn your patterns, your goals, your priorities. It will become proactive, not reactive. Instead of asking, "What task do you want me to perform?" it will say, "Here are 5 things I already did for you today." The age of autonomous systems. The world is moving toward autonomous systems. AI that executes tasks unassisted. AI will run supply chains. AI will manage entire departments. AI will control scheduling, logistics, resource allocation, and risk prediction. We are building a world where human creativity guides and AI execution delivers. AI in government and public service. Governments around the world are preparing for the next stage of automation. AI handling tax processing. AI speeding up passport renewals. AI eliminating bottlenecks in court systems. AI predicting infrastructure needs before they become urgent. For the first time, public systems can become fast, efficient, and responsive. AI in daily life, a new normal. AI will not only transform businesses and governments, it will transform the rhythm of everyday life. Your personal tasks automated, your schedule optimized, your finances organized, your health monitored in real time. Your digital world will be powered by invisible automation running quietly in the background. AI and human relationships. AI will not replace human connection. Instead, it will free humans to focus on connection. Less time on paperwork, more time with people, less time repeating tasks, more time creating, building, innovating. AI will not take away the human role. It will elevate it. The great shift. Jobs evolve, not disappear. Yes, automation will change jobs. Yes, some roles will disappear. But history shows us something important. Every major technological leap creates more jobs than it removes, but different jobs. Jobs that require creativity. Jobs that require strategy. Jobs that require leadership. Jobs that require empathy. AI will do the repetitive work. Humans will do the meaningful work. The skills of the future. In the future economy, the most valuable skills will be these. 1. AI collaboration. Knowing how to use AI as a partner. 2. Creativity. AI executes, but humans imagine. 3. Adaptability. The world will keep evolving. 4. Emotional intelligence. Humans connect, AI cannot. 5. Problem solving. AI runs tasks. Humans solve challenges. These skills define the leaders of the next decade. Transition to next section. In the next chapter, we explore what lies beyond the horizon. The predictions guiding top researchers. The breakthroughs shaping the next wave of AI. And how you can prepare, starting today. Stay with me. The journey continues. Now, imagine a world where AI doesn't arrive with a roar, but with a whisper. Not as a robot taking your job, but as a silent digital worker performing tasks faster, cheaper, more accurately, and invisibly. This is not science fiction. This is not the future. This is now. You wake up one morning and discover your company already uses AI to schedule meetings. AI answers customer calls. AI flags fraudulent transactions. AI predicts purchase behavior. AI drafts reports. AI monitors inventory. AI approves loans. AI translates documents. AI analyzes risks. AI creates marketing campaigns. AI screens job applicants. AI even generates code. Not loud, not dramatic, quiet, efficient, relentless. This is the era where generative AI merges with automation and becomes the invisible workforce powering industries across the world. No breaks, no sick days, no slowdowns, just nonstop computation. And whether you like it or not, this silent workforce is growing. The battle between automation and human creativity. But here's the twist. While automation handles repetitive tasks, generative AI is learning creativity itself. It can now design logos, write songs, create movie scripts, generate characters, build social media campaigns, craft business plans, produce entire videos, even animate scenes and voices. For the first time in human history, creativity is no longer uniquely human. A new question rises. If AI can create, what becomes of the creators? Do humans lose their edge? Or do they unlock new levels of innovation by working with AI instead of against it? This tension drives the next era, a world where creativity becomes a partnership, a duet, man and machine composing the future together. The AI gold rush. Businesses scramble to adapt. Across the globe, businesses are waking up, some slowly, some urgently, some in panic, because they now face one truth. Those who adopt AI will move faster than those who don't. And the companies refusing to adapt, they are already falling behind. Executives gather in boardrooms asking the same questions. How do we use AI? How fast can we deploy it? What departments should we transform first? What do we automate? What do we augment? How do we stay ahead? It feels like the early days of the internet, except now the adoption is 10 times faster, and the competition is global. This is the modern gold rush, where the wealth is not in land or minerals, but in data, models, and automation pipelines. And those who master these tools, they won't just compete, they will dominate. The shocking truth: AI isn't taking jobs, people using AI are. This is the part nobody wants to hear, but everyone needs to know. AI isn't replacing people. People using AI are replacing people who aren't. The writer using AI will produce faster. The designer using AI will deliver more concepts. The marketer using AI will create better campaigns. The developer using AI will build products quicker. The business owner using AI will scale efficiently. The student using AI will learn at 5x speed. AI is becoming a multiplier, a superpower, a force enhancer. Human plus AI equals unstoppable. Human without AI equals vulnerable. The shift is not about replacement. It's about augmentation. And you either adapt into the augmented class or fall behind into the outdated one. As we end this chapter of the journey, one thing becomes unmistakably clear. Generative AI isn't slowing down. It's evolving, merging with automation, transforming business workflows, and rewriting the foundations of creative and corporate industries. We've explored how businesses now rely on intelligent systems not just to assist, but to think, predict, optimize, and deliver. We've seen how automation blends with generative models to create a new hybrid workforce, half human insight, half machine precision, but fully unstoppable. We've watched companies cut costs, multiply productivity, and build solutions that were once impossible. We've seen creators unlock powers that were once unimaginable. And we've seen how AI continues to stretch the boundaries between ideas and reality. But this chapter leaves us with a deeper question. If AI is getting this strong now, what will it become next? Your thoughts matter, your voice matters. So before we end Insight, if you're enjoying this deep dive into the world of AI, if you're learning something new, if this chapter opened your mind, then please hit the like button. It helps more people discover this documentary. Backhand index pointing right, subscribe so you don't miss the next chapter. Backhand index pointing right, turn on notifications because the next segment is even more shocking. Backhand index pointing right, comment below. Do you think AI will replace jobs or create new ones? Is automation a threat or an opportunity? Where do you think generative AI is heading? Your comment might even appear in the next video. This chapter is not the end. It's the beginning of a revolution unfolding in real time.